Did you know it took Ferrari over 75 years to build an SUV? That's right. A brand famous for screaming V12s and low-slung supercars has finally stepped into the luxury SUV arena. But here's the big question. Can the Purosangue truly be called a Ferrari, or is it just another high-end family hauler wearing a prancing horse badge? Welcome to Auto Craze. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 2026 Ferrari Purosangue, Ferrari's bold first step into SUV territory. This is more than just another model. It's a pivotal moment for the brand's future, where tradition meets innovation in the most controversial way possible. For decades, Ferrari has stood as the ultimate symbol of pure sports car performance, so stepping into the SUV market comes with massive risks. The challenge? How do you build a taller, heavier, more practical vehicle without diluting the razor-sharp DNA that defines a Ferrari? Competitors like Lamborghini's Urus and Aston Martin's DBX have proven there's money to be made, but Ferrari's reputation leaves zero margin for error. Fans expect blistering performance, impeccable handling, and that unmistakable Italian soul. One wrong move, and the Purosangue could be remembered as Ferrari's biggest misstep, or its smartest evolution. So, what's under the hood? The Purosangue comes armed with a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12, pushing out over 715 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful SUVs on the planet. It sprints from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.3 seconds and reaches a top speed north of 310 kilometers per hour. But it's not just about straight-line power. Ferrari's advanced all-wheel drive system, adaptive air suspension, and rear-wheel steering ensure it corners like a sports car, not a grocery getter. The design? Sleek, muscular, and unmistakably Ferrari, with aggressive lines, a low stance, and aerodynamics that actually work at high speeds. Inside, it's a fusion of race-inspired minimalism and luxury, with dual cockpit layouts and premium Italian craftsmanship. The most jaw-dropping feature? The Purosangue's rear-hinged back doors, a rarity in the SUV world. They open wide for easy entry while giving the cabin a dramatic, almost concept car-like presence. It's a statement that this isn't just an SUV. It's a Ferrari that just happens to have 4 doors. Combine that with the screaming, naturally aspirated V12 in a market full of turbocharged and hybrid SUVs, and you have a vehicle that doesn't just compete, it dominates on its own terms. The 2026 Ferrari Purosangue is more than just a new model. It's a bold declaration that Ferrari can evolve without losing its soul. With supercar performance, head-turning design, and an unapologetically Ferrari character, it's set to rewrite the rules of the luxury SUV game. What do you think? Is the Purosangue a masterpiece or a mistake? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't miss our next video on Ferrari's upcoming hybrid hypercar. Trust me, you'll want to see what's next.